Hello listeners, this is your Raji Chandrika and I welcome you all to Anubhav project implemented by Nightingale Medical Trust. Government of India has initiated elder toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, enquiries and support to elderly. Now Mr. K.L. Rao going to tell health tip for elders, so it's over to Mr. K.L. Rao.
Hello, you are listening to Lakshman Rao Kantam City. Today, I would like to tell health tips for elders, health tips for senior citizens. Senior citizens should always check blood pressure, blood sugar, triglycerides, cholesterol periodically. They should minimize consumption of salt, consumption of sugar, consumption of dairy products, milk products, and processed foods also. They should eat leafy vegetables, beans, nuts, eggs, and fruits. They should try to forget their age. They should try to forget their past. And also, they should forget complaining about things. They need to cherish the family, the friends, positive thoughts. They have to adopt always smiling, regular physical activity, checking and controlling their weight. Lifestyle to practice. Senior citizens should drink water without waiting till they are thirsty. And they should take rest without waiting till they are tired. And they should believe in themselves always. And they should be positive. These are all some important aspects which senior citizens should follow in day-to-day life. Then definitely they will be quite healthy. The tips are very simple. Only thing is, by following, the senior citizens can maintain good health. So, I suggest my audience to pass on this information to elders, senior citizens whom they know, maybe neighbors, maybe friends, maybe relatives. Thank you very much. Lakshman Rao Kantam City signs off. Namaste.
Listeners, I hope you too liked it. Stay tuned to Iriya Ravani for such nice programs. Government of India has initiated elder toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, enquiries and support to elderly. Bye for now. Take care.